everyone, I'm Lala Bad. Welcome. Today I am reviewing this product here. This is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. It's the Huda Beauty Mascara. That's what I'm reviewing today. And no, the camera's not playing tricks on you. Nope, it's not your screen. It's me. I have half of my eyes done and the other half bare because I wanted to show you what it looked like with a look and just plain old Jane. So we can just, you know, see if it really does work and it's not just makeup. Okay. Here she is, what she looked like. It's a dual-ended mascara. So if you're interested in seeing this review and interested in seeing what this can do, then stay tuned. Now, since this is a mascara review, we gonna get super closer than this, but before we do that, I do want to read the claim because, you know, that's important. We want to read the claim and either debunk it or see if it's legit, right? I mean, that's what we do on reviews. So it says here, by the way, what is the price point on this thing? I don't even know. Price point is $27. Okay, you can find it at Sephora, Huda Beauty, wherever. I don't think you can find it at Beautylish. She's not on Beautylish, but definitely Sephora and HudaBeauty.com. But Huda Beauty is actually shipping from Dubai, and it takes longer, especially with everything's going on. I bet it'll be longer than 2 weeks. So definitely head over to Sephora if you're interested. Okay, there's that. What does Huda Beauty claim? That's what we want to know. Legit Lashes Double-Ended Mascara. 2 brushes, 2 formulas. I didn't know that. 2 brushes, 2 formulas, 1 legit mascara. A long-lasting matte black dual-ended mascara that delivers major volume, dramatic curl, and insane length. Insane length, which I need. I do need a dramatic curl also, and I do need major volume. Okay, so they got me. They got me. Insane length without weighing down your lashes. Okay, you're gonna give me all that without weighing them down. Okay. Let's see. Lasting 12 hours. Featuring 2 full-size mascaras in 1 dual-ended pack. These ultra black formulas are clinically proven to volumize, lengthen, and lift and curl lashes. Okay, so they went to a clinic and got tests done there, and to find out if this is legit, they went to a okay, you got doctors and nurses for this shit. Okay, cool. Thanks for that. Go in that extra step, Huda. Clinically proven. That just, but okay, boo-boo. Glide smoothly onto lashes for an even, buildable, and clump-free application. I kind of legit like clump on my bottom lash because that's the only way you'll be able to see them. But we'll see. Curl and length. The formula includes gripping waxes and 5mm lengthening fibers for an immediate elongated effect. So there's fibers. Okay, did I read that right? The formula includes gripping waxes and a 5mm lengthening fibers for an immediate elongated effect. The innovative custom brush lengthens even your tiniest lashes to create a wispy, fluttery effect. Okay, look, bitch. Where are you getting these fibers from? And are they fibers or are they pubic hairs that people are giving up to get a coin? Let me show you the pictures. And you can go online and find all this shit by yourself, you know, but I just want you to see the pictures, okay? Here's another picture for a more tanner version. And this looks like she has the bottom lashes on. Okay, so I'm not gonna use a curler. I'm not gonna use a curler because she claimed this is clinically proven to curl. So we gonna go in then, okay? We really getting in, honey. Okay, we getting in, girl. We gonna prove you right or wrong, honey. We gonna respect or reject you, girl. How to use. Use a volume side first before layering on the curl length side for the ultimate lash. Volume first. So we got volume right here. Okay, there's the volume. Here's the volume brush. That's what she looks like. Okay, so we're gonna do this side first. So I'm gonna do no curling. Volume first. Okay, girl. Can y'all see my, I should have showed y'all before pictures of my lashes, right? Do I got a booger? Oh, girl. Not cute. Okay. So far, it looks like I'm getting volume. Okay. Okay, there's a volume. Okay, so we don't want her to dry. I'm gonna add another layer. Remember, we don't want her to dry. We want to use it wet. Keep her wet. Next, curl. And was it curl and length? Curl and length. This is what she looks like. Totally different brush. Totally different. It's got a curve. So curl and length. Let's see. I can see them, but they're not like, let me see. I mean, it's nothing spectacular. Should I put a curler on them? I wanted to do without a curler so you can get to just really see if it curls. Lengthening. They do look longer, and there is volume. If I do it this way, there's volume. You can see even on the lash line, you can even see where there's nothing there, but then the mascara gets to here, and you can see the volume it gave. I don't think it curled, because them curled they would be higher if they were curled. So let me curl them so we can see. Here's them curled. You can see that's curled, right? All right, let's do the bottom lash. Let's do the bottom lash. Now they say just to use the curl and length, so I'm gonna do that. This one here. Now a makeup artist friend said to do it, but every time I do it this way, girl, I always put my eye just to find them, and then ooh, I like that. Is that too much? I don't know yet. Let's see what the look. Let me curl my eyelashes first. We're gonna give it all. We're gonna try to give it the what I would do normally, right? If I'm doing a look. As you can see, you could barely see my lashes, right? I feel so. It's definitely giving me length. It's giving me volume. It's not giving me curl. Let's read the percentage. I want to read that. I really want to read that to see what percent found curl. 100% of people agreed their lashes looked fuller and multiplied. I agree. That happened. 100% of people agreed these mascaras gave their lashes extreme curl and extreme length. Extreme length, yes. Extreme curl, no. 100% of people agreed that they had an instant lash extension effect. I'm moving on. 100% of people agreed that the mascara looked very intense black on their lashes. I agree. Very intense. 86% of people agreed their lashes appeared lifted. Yes. That happened. 95% of people agreed their lashes appeared separate and defined. Yeah, they're separate. They're separate. 95% of people agreed their eyes looked whiter, lashes fanned, awake, sexier, and seductive. Do y'all see any of that going on? This one does, because my whole eye is done. As far as this one, I mean, it's alright. No one's going to be dropping the underwear for this look over here. They might for this one, though. Alright, everyone. So, here are my final thoughts. Length, check. Lift, check. Volume, check. Curl, not there. The claim, I don't respect their claim, but I respect the product. I think it did a pretty good job. I think it darkened my lashes. Again, gave me volume. I'm all here for all that. The curl part is something that I'm going to have to work on, and so is my curler. Seductive look, did it come through? Yes, it did. I could be seductive. I could work with this. I could seduce my husband with these lashes. This side, not this side. You know, I'm gonna pick up mail on this side, but yeah. All right, everyone. So I hope you liked this video. I hope that it was helpful in some way. I hope that it lets you know if you should or should not pick up this mascara. Let me know in the comments below what you thought, what your thoughts were, or if you're gonna even just pick it up or not. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.